Okay, guys, so we are back at the project where we replaced the driveway for a customer. That driveway was sinking and it was thought that was causing a leak in the basement. However, the leak was traced back to a broken PVC pipe that the plumber fixed. So instead of doing the restoration for the customer, they left them a pile of dirt and rock. So the customer asked if I could come back and resaw the area for the closing that was going to take place the next day. This video is back from, I believe, from April. We did the concrete work, I think, in March, and it's part of the video how to prepare and frame for a concrete driveway if you want to go back in the archives and check out that video. So basically, it's about 5 o'clock, maybe 4:30 in the afternoon. So this took about an hour to do. If you're going to do sod for your own home or for a customer, I strongly recommend putting down an inch or two of topsoil. Pretty much an inch will cover it. So what you're going to want to do is the process would be to cut it down like you see the Bobcat doing. Cut it down in about an inch and a half below the concrete that you're going to butt up to and the sod that you're going to butt up to, because once you put down the topsoil, the sod has its own soil underneath, and that will be about a half inch, maybe a little more, and you want the sod to butt up nice to the concrete, be the same height so the water will run off. And also, if someone's walking on the concrete, you don't want them to be kicking the side of the sod. So you want your sod to be the same height as the concrete and the sod that you're patching. If you were to leave the dirt the same height as the grass, then the new sod has that little bit of dirt on it. It would be higher and it would look terrible. So you got to make sure that your edges are crisp and the edging by the concrete driveway is crisp. And you'll see all this as the video progresses. But because I don't want you guys to get bored and die on me or fall asleep, let's listen to some music.